Hello, this is Alessio. Today is Thursday the 21st of October, and today we're going to analyze two stocks within the ETF ARK Innovation, okay, if you would. So, as you can see from the screen, we're going to start off with Baidu, and basically the overview is that we are in a pretty significant correction in place, and with members, I've been tracking down this move up, which of course, as I said, could have been traded because, yes, the initial move up appeared to be in 3. This could be counted as 5, but also 3. But what was most interesting is this move down was indeed corrective and not impulsive. So that's why I saw further upside to come. So what we did yesterday is we basically reached equality of wave A and C. So that of course is a very common target for wave C equality with wave A. So it's an area where we should be pretty careful. The alternate is, since this wave X appears to be quite small, either this ABC needs to be moved 1 degree lower, so that we have ABC, we'll have another ABC and then ABC to then resume lower. That's a possibility. Otherwise, just like the way it was, we're going to continue higher. So it's going to be interesting to see the only thing we know now is that downside could come anytime. So we should just protect our profit and let's see, just see where the market takes us. The next stock is Intellia Therapeutics, NTLA. So a few times back, I brought this chart to you. Now I bring it back because everything has been moving as planned, but I see two different scenarios. Scenario number 1 is the way you see this marked up on your screen. So basically, I just want to focus on this wave 4 because I want to trade the upside. We've had 1, 2, 5 waves down into wave 3, up in 4, and now we're just making a lower low. Perhaps, most likely, we'll break the low wave 3 and then end the correction. However, this is a daily chart. If I take you to the hourly chart, what happens is this. I said, what if this is wave 3, this is 4, 5, so what if the correction ended here and this is indeed a leading diagonal into wave 1. So basically something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, we can move this 1 degree lower, why not? What I think is going to be interesting is the moment we get to this area, which will be the area of the previous two, the two of the diagonal, because we know that very often we get resistance or support, in this case support, near the area of the two of the diagonal, which will be this area. So let's see if we get down here. If we do, then it will be interesting to see a reaction. If so, then we can start considering this scenario being valid. Also, if you look at it, basic technical analysis, TA, inverse head and shoulder, if that would happen. But of course, if we want to stick with Elliott, let's just stick with Elliott. I love Elliott, hope you do as well. So 1, 2, and possibly upside. So eventually we're gonna have to see what's gonna happen, but this is a possibility. So we need to keep that in mind. We need to be open to this scenario, because I'm not saying that I don't like it. I actually like it quite a lot. So we're just gonna see what's gonna happen, and either way, we could be near. We'll soon be near a reversal. So that was it for me today. Hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments if you have anything to add on this. And as always, I'll see you next time. Thanks.